If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your cooking needs, the Emeril Lagasse 26 QT Extra Large Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven might be your perfect match. Designed with French doors and a sleek stainless steel exterior, this versatile appliance not only elevates your cooking game, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Why choose this multi-cooker combo? This isn't just an air fryer. It's a complete multi-cooker with 25 preset cooking functions, including options like ribs, bake, toast, chicken, and even pizza. Its dual-speed fan ensures golden crisp perfection with 360-degree superheated air circulation, making every bite flavorful and evenly cooked. And let's not forget its 26-quart capacity, ideal for families or entertaining. Whether it's rotisserie cooking a 6-pound chicken or baking a 12-inch pizza, this appliance can handle it all. Say goodbye to burnt toast. One standout feature is the automatic toast countdown timer. The oven turns off when the timer ends, so you'll never deal with burnt toast again. Plus, the indicator light changes from red to blue when your food is ready. It's smart cooking made simple. An honest review. Before I dive further, this is an honest review. I earn only a few cents if you purchase through my link, but I only recommend products that truly deliver value and won't waste your hard-earned money. Durability and convenience. Built with stainless steel for durability and style, this air fryer and toaster oven combo is as practical as it is beautiful. The French doors open with a single pull, and the interior light lets you monitor your food without disrupting the cooking process. Cleaning up is also a breeze, thanks to its well-designed interior and removable accessories. Great deal alert! Right now, the Emeril Lagasse 26 QT Extra Large Air Fryer is available at 11% off, making it an even better investment for your kitchen. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or hosting a party, this appliance is your ultimate kitchen assistant. Click the link to grab yours and take your cooking to the next level.